everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the initial interface of Autodesk Fusion 360. Here you can see that this one is application bar or consists of various options that are used to access data panel, file operations such as save, undo and redo. Click on Show Data Panel button to display the data panel. The data panel consists of various options that can be used for working with your documents, saving them, uploading the files, and collaborating with other users on your designs. Also, you can add members to a project by clicking on People option and import data from other sources. The options available in data panel are refresh, search, data, new folder and so on. By clicking on refresh button, you can refresh the data in the data panel. Next one is search button, which is used to search the desired documents. Data option displays the list of folders and documents. Here you can see that these are list of folders and documents. Upload option is used to upload the selected file or files to an active project. Click on New Folder button to create a new folder. Next to New Folder button, this one is Settings option, which is used to sort and list the data. So this is about the options available in the data panel. If you want to hide the data panel, then click on Hide Data Panel button. Next one is File menu. By clicking on File menu, you can open, upload, save, export, print the files and so on. Choose the Save option to save the design. Select the Undo, Redo button to revert your most recent actions. The top center includes tabs for each active design file. Here you can see that the file name is displayed on each tab. Next one is New Design option. Click on this option to open a new design document based on your preference settings. The icons represent access to Fusion 360 extensions. Job status, which shows either you are working online or offline. Notification center displays the tips and messages related to the work you are doing. Help icon, which can be used to access learning content, documentation, community resources and more. The last icon represents your profile, where you can access Autodesk account and change the photographs associated with your account. You can also set the preferences and profile of the user. This portion of interface is known as ribbon, which provides access to many of tools, panels and workspaces. By clicking here, you can invoke different workspaces. These are the panels and these are the tools available in the ribbon. This one is browser bar, which displays all the operations performed during the designing process in a sequence. All these operations are displayed in the form of a tree view. You can undock the browser bar by dragging it. V-cube on the top right corner allows you to change your viewpoint or view the model from different positions by selecting the vertices, edges and faces. The navigation bar contains commands to zoom, pan, and orbit your design. The display settings control the appearance of the interface and the design. You can modify the snap and grid settings by using the grid and snap settings button. Use the play forward and backward button to step through each tool in your design. So this is about the initial interface of Autodesk Fusion 360. Thank you for watching this video.